The Mistakes People Make, episode 43. Are you committed to compromise? It's been a while since we've done one just for the Spanish, so here goes. Compromise doesn't mean what you think it means. Compromise is a false friend. In Spanish, compromiso means commitment, but compromise in English does not. Allow me to explain through the medium of dogs. My wife would like to get one big dog. I would like to get 4 small dogs. As a compromise, we agree to get 2 medium-sized dogs and this pug. His name is
Philip, the Destroyer of Worlds.
In English, a compromise is an agreement where everybody gets something. When you want to say compromise, say commitment instead. Nigel had a puppy once. The doctors say it was a miracle. Yes, and you. Inspiring learning.